Hi there, in this video I will show you how to put Apple application on external disk and how to run it from that disk instead of having it installed on your local disk. The first thing you want to do is have an external disk or USB and have it plugged into your Mac computer. Once you plug it in, you will see it appear on your desktop. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and open your disk utility and confirm to make sure that your disk is one of the Apple supported formats. Like in my case, it is a FAT32, so I'm probably gonna wanna convert this to one of the Apple formats. So what you can do is go ahead, click on erase here. You can change the name of it. I'll keep mine the same. And here in the drop down, you can pick one of the Apple supported formats. In my case, I'm just going to pick the Apple file system. Then you can go ahead and click erase, and that will format your disk. Now make sure you're doing that on a disk that you know that there's nothing important on it, because once you do this, if there's anything on your disk, it's all going to be gone and you won't be able to recover it. Now once your disk is successfully formatted, you can go ahead and close this. Then the next thing you want to do is you can open your Finder, and then you can go to your applications folder. And from here, you can pick the application that you want to move on your external disk. In my case, I'm going to use my GIMP application because I don't want to have it on my local disk and I want to run it from my external disk. So then I'm going to open a second Finder window. And in my second Finder window, I will go to my external disk. Just going to go ahead and drag and drop. And that's going to take a few seconds. And now that the application has copied on my internal disk, I can just go ahead and delete it from my local disk. All right, and once the application is here, you can go ahead and start it. The first time you run it, it will want to verify the integrity of the application. So this will take a few extra seconds, but after that, it should just start right away. And as you can see, I have the GIMP application running from my external disk. Go ahead and close it here. What you can do is, if you want, is you can create a shortcut for it, or alias as they call it on the Apple computers. So you can just click on make alias, and then you can drag this and put it down here, and that way you can just start it from down here. And this is how it's all done. It's a pretty easy process, but I know there's a lot of people that think it's complicated, but basically it's as easy as drag and drop your application on a disk that is formatted so it works on a Mac computer. One important thing is when you move applications, when you put applications on external disk, you want to make sure that your disk is always plugged into your computer. If the disk is unplugged, like I'm going to unplug it right now, and you try to start your application, obviously it's not going to work because your computer does not have access to it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel.